fool. Like there was for some folks that came up from Corpus Christi. Now some of y'all that still ain't never been down south. I'm gonna tell you about it one more time, so that you understand what we're talking about. Now down there we got a plant. Looks something like a turnip green, except it ain't. Cause everybody calls it poke salad. That's poke salad. Now I used to know a girl lived down there. She'd go out in the evenings and pick her a little bit of it, carry it home and cook it for supper. And if she had any left over, she'd hang it out on the clothesline and dry it out and smoke it. But she did all right, y'all. I said down in Louisiana, where the alligator grows so mean, there lived a girl that'll swear to the world, made the alligator look tame. Poke salad Annie, poke salad Annie. Everybody said it was a shame, cause her mama was working on a chain gang. A mean, vicious woman. Every day for supper time, go down by the truck patch, pick her mess of poke salad, carry it home in a tow sack. Poke salad Annie, the gator got your granny. Chomp, chomp. Everybody said it was a shame, cause her mama was working on a chain gang. Richard, spiteful, straight razor-toned woman. Ah, baby. Claimed he had a bad back, and all her brothers were fit for was stealing watermelons out of my truck patch. Poke salad Annie, the gator got your granny. Everybody said it was a shame, cause her mama was working on a chain gang. Suck a little poke salad to me, know I need me a mess of it. Suck a little, suck a little, suck a little, suck a little poke salad. Gator got your own granny. Poke salad Annie.
Sound of the river, you stop and you hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fall time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. Well, now you step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain and hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places, but the horns, they blowing that sound. Way on down south, way on down south, London town. Check out Guitar George, he knows all the chords. But it's strictly rhythm, he doesn't wanna make it cry or sing. If standing old guitar is all he can afford, when he gets up under the lights to play his thing. And Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make the scene. He's got a daytime job, he's doing alright. He can play the honky-tonk like anything, saving it up Friday night with the Sultans, with the Sultans of Swing. Crowd of young boys, they're fooling around in the corner, drunk and dressed in their best brown baggies in their platform soles. They don't give a damn about any trumpet playing band. It ain't what they call rock and roll. And the Sultans, yeah, the Sultans, they play Creole. Creole. And the man steps right up to the microphone. He says at last, just as the time bell rings, good night, now it's time to go home. Then he makes it fast with one more thing. We are the Sultans, we are the Sultans.